Class 8 Grammar and Composition Unit 3 Phrases and Types of Phrases. My dear students, I am Mr. Patekar Anand. Welcome you all to Xavier Home School. My dear students, stay at home and be safe, and don't forget to subscribe this video and share it with your friends. Hello my dear students, in the previous video we have learned kinds of sentences, and I am sure you all can identify all the four kinds of sentences. Today we will start with a new lesson, that is phrases and the different types of phrases. Dear students, who can tell me what do you mean by a sentence? Yes, very good. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Now we will see what is the meaning of a phrase. The group of words that make some sense but not complete sense are called phrases. So my dear students, there is a difference. When we talk about a sentence, it has a complete sense, and now here we see that phrase is also group of words that make some sense but not complete sense. So keep this definition in your mind. Here are few examples of a phrase: waiting for the bus, in the sun, in the meantime, no hard and fast rules, these new books, tall and graceful, what is read or heard, pretty pink dress. So my dear students, these groups of words make some sense. However, they do not have a subject or a main verb. So they are called as phrases. So who can tell me what do you mean by a phrase? Yes, very good. The groups of words that make some sense but not complete sense are called phrases. Dear students, there are different types of phrases based on the word that dominates the word group. They are noun phrase, adjective phrase, and adverb phrase. So now we will learn each and every type in detail. The first one is the noun phrase. My dear students, who can tell me what do you mean by noun? Yes, very good. A naming word used to name a person, place, or a thing. And apart from this, you should know all the kinds of nouns. My dear students, now just see these group of words: the narrow street, my friend Raman, the tall tree, a very old house, the staff and the students. Dear students, these are noun phrases because they function as a noun. So we can define noun phrase as a phrase that includes a noun, person, place, animal or thing, and the qualifiers either before or after it which distinguishes it is called a noun phrase. Dear students, here are few examples of noun phrases. The 5-year-old child is very intelligent. The bright blue wooden hat was worn by my great grandmother. The second red book is in one I plan to read. The tall building is 100 years old. My dear students, the highlighted noun phrases in the sentences function as subjects. Now, my dear students, look at these sentences. He asked me the name of the street. I gave her the details of the plan. They wanted to know the way to the park. We were given the annual day program. Here, the highlighted noun phrases in the sentences function as objects. So, my dear students, I hope you have understood the noun phrases. Now, we will see the second type, that is adjective phrases. Before we start, who can tell me what do you mean by an adjective? Yes, very good. A word that describes a noun is known as adjective. Now look at these sentences. Please tell me the time of his departure. He is a man of few words. People sitting at the back could not hear the message. She is a woman of great determination. My dear students, the underlined phrases describe or qualify the nouns time, man, people, and woman. So, in short, we can say a phrase that describes or qualifies the noun is called an adjective phrase. I repeat, a phrase that describes or qualifies the noun is called an adjective phrase. Dear students, now we will see the third kind of phrase, that is an adverb phrase. But before that, who can tell me what do you mean by an adverb? Yes, very good. A word that adds meaning to the verb or which modifies the verb, it is known as adverb. We can also say a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb is called as adverb. My dear students, now look at these examples. She called me up in the morning. Success comes with hard work. The children walked in single file. The children call up their parents quite often. My dear students, the underlined words are phrases which modifies the verbs called, come, walked, and call in the sentences. So, my dear students, we can define an adverb phrase as a phrase which modifies the main verb in the sentence is called an adverb phrase. So, my dear students, I hope you have understood this unit which talks about phrases and the three types of phrases. They are noun phrase, adjective phrase, and adverb phrase. Dear students, in the next video we will see few more examples of phrases and the three types of phrases. Now take down today's homework. Write the definition of phrase, their examples, then write the definition of three different types of phrases and their examples. Till then, take care and have a nice day. See you. Bye.